Hello friends, in today's episode we look into 10 useful tips on how to take care of your plants in summer season to keep your plants happy and healthy in soaring temperatures of these months. Always remember this trending line, prevention is better than cure. Summer season has started in most tropical countries and the temperatures are gradually soaring. For those who are beginners in gardening or planning to start gardening, trust me, it's a great hobby, fun and really satisfying. And also it's not that difficult. It's just gaining some basic knowledge and applying some common sense. Well, it's not just humans who suffer from the heat of summer. Plants too need proper hydration and care. You cannot switch off the sunlight. It's not in your hands. In fact, with some precautions and following some simple tips here, this season can be really good for your plants. So, here are some quick and useful tips one by one to keep your plants healthy and blooming this summer. On number 1, watering. In summer, you need to water your plants more than you normally do. Keep it a rule to keep the soil moist at all times of the day. If your potting soil is sandy and very well draining out, you must water at least once a day. During summer, water the plants during early morning or just after sunset. That is to avoid evaporation of water quickly. Most outdoor plants kept in sun dry out at the end of the day. Hence, daily watering is a general rule except for succulents. You can water your succulents and cacti on alternate days or at least twice weekly in summer season. On number 2, humidity. You can cover the top layer of the soil by mulching with material containing some wooden pieces, twigs, dead plant leaves, newspaper or even mulching sheets if you have. Mulching will help retain the moisture of the soil. For beginners, mulching means applying some material on the top surface of the soil to prevent water evaporation and many other benefits. You can watch related detailed videos from links in description. Another simple way to increase humidity is to make a humidity tray by using small pebbles installed in a large tray surrounding the plant and pour some water in the tray. This really helps to maintain humidity levels around the plant. On number 3, clustering of plants. You can keep potted plants in clusters close to each other. This way they'll face less sun maybe from one side only, or smaller plants may get some shade from a larger plant. And this will also increase humidity levels. On number 4, pruning. Pruning or trimming of your plants should be done to remove unnecessary or bad foliage and branches. This will avoid excess loss of water through transpiration and also conserve plants' energy for a healthier new growth. On number 5, fertilizing. The summer season is the growth period of most plants, starting from the spring season, and the plant soil should be provided with more fertilizer in summer to sustain this high growth rate and extra energy requirement after the dormant winter season. Apply manures like decomposed cow dung, vermicompost, bone meals, and oil cakes like mustard and neem cakes or any type of fertilizers recommended for a plant at least once in 2 weeks. You can also make a cocktail fertilizer mixture for ease of application and saving time. You can watch a detailed episode on this cocktail mixture from a link in the description. Well, on number 6, de-weeding. All kinds of weeds should be rooted out of the plant soil so that the nutrients and water meant for your plants are not used up by the weeds. Then on number 7, sunlight. The morning sun is best for potted fruits, flowers and vegetables. Try relocating your plants to receive maximum morning sunlight and avoid the strong noon sun. You can consider installing shade nets or green nets with at least 50% filtering factor. This even protects the plant from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. Detailed video on this is linked in description below. On number 8, misting the plants. To keep it humid and fresh, misting frequently with water can really help the plants. This will also make the leaves clean and shine. You can also wipe the plants with a soft cloth to promote photosynthesis if you have limited number of plants. On number 9, pest control. This is really important. You cannot afford to lose this growing season by allowing pests to hamper the growth of your plants. Do rigorous pest control organically wherever applicable by spraying neem oil once in a week or at least once in 15 days. On number 10, few quick additional tips like do not place your plants near AC units. This can damage your plants. Then if you can arrange, keep a swinging fan running for good air circulation. In summer, many well-maintained nurseries have lots of fans constantly running in daytime with even automated fine misting units. Then installing drip irrigation system is also a very useful idea to save a lot of your time. It's not really difficult and also not at all expensive and can be easily installed by yourself. You can watch a detailed episode on how to install drip irrigation system for your home or even terrace garden from this end screen link circled right here. Please like, share and comment below with your queries and feedback. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Happy gardening and stay safe.